Safety-first artistry begins with a mindset shift, and understanding that creative freedom in woodworking is not the opposite of discipline, but the result of it, especially when transforming jagged construction offcuts into high-end geometric wall art that feels refined, intentional, and market-ready. For creative beginners working with scrap materials, the temptation is often to focus purely on the aesthetic outcome, imagining bold patterns and striking mosaics without fully appreciating the technical rigor required to shape irregular timber safely and precisely. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. Yet the journey from discarded construction debris to sophisticated, sellable decor depends on mastering foundational safety principles, particularly when operating powerful tools like the table saw. The table saw, while one of the most versatile machines in the workshop, demands respect because of its inherent risks, including the notorious kickback zone where improperly guided wood can be violently propelled backward. Understanding this danger is not meant to intimidate new makers, but to empower them with knowledge, transforming fear into confidence through proper technique and preparation. Kickback typically occurs when a piece of wood becomes trapped between the blade and the fence, or when internal tension within warped or irregular scraps closes the kerf during a cut, causing the spinning blade to seize and launch the material unexpectedly. Construction offcuts are especially prone to these hazards because they are often uneven, twisted, or embedded with residual stress from their previous use. Recognizing these characteristics before milling is a crucial step in safe artistry. Beginners must learn to inspect each scrap carefully, identifying knots, splits, embedded nails, or hidden cracks that could compromise stability during cutting. This preliminary assessment is not merely a safety precaution, but a creative act in itself, as it reveals the unique character of each piece and informs how it might best be integrated into a geometric composition. By approaching scrap wood with both curiosity and caution, makers begin to see potential while respecting limitations. Precision woodworking techniques allow us to tame irregular materials and transform them into consistent, clean shapes suitable for high-end wall art. Central to this process is the use of finger-safe jigs and carefully designed push blocks that maintain control while keeping hands well away from the blade. For beginners, these aids are not optional accessories, but essential extensions of the body, guiding the material with stability and accuracy. A well-crafted crosscut sled, for example, can provide secure support for small or awkward pieces, ensuring straight, repeatable cuts that form the foundation of geometric patterns. By stabilizing offcuts during milling, the sled reduces the likelihood of binding or shifting that can trigger kickback. The act of building and refining such jigs cultivates technical discipline, reinforcing the idea that craftsmanship thrives within boundaries defined by safety. Zero clearance inserts further enhance both safety and precision when working with scrap materials. Standard throat plates leave a small gap around the blade, which can allow thin offcuts to dip or splinter during cutting. A zero clearance insert, custom fitted to the blade's exact width, supports the wood fibers directly adjacent to the cut, minimizing tear out and preventing small pieces from slipping into the blade cavity. This simple modification elevates the quality of the cut dramatically, producing crisp edges essential for tight-fitting mosaics. When geometric wall art relies on precise angles and seamless joints, even minor inconsistencies can disrupt the visual harmony. By adopting technical refinements such as zero clearance inserts, beginners quickly realize that safety enhancements often double as quality improvements, reinforcing the connection between careful process and elegant outcome. Transforming jagged construction offcuts into high-end geometric art also requires an understanding of grain direction and structural integrity. Scraps frequently contain irregular grain patterns that can splinter unpredictably if cut against the wrong orientation. Aligning cuts with the grain whenever possible preserves strength and reduces chipping, ensuring that each segment retains durability. In mosaic-style wall art, where numerous small pieces converge to form intricate patterns, structural consistency is essential. Weak or splintered edges compromise the integrity of the entire composition. Through deliberate milling and patient shaping, discarded timber gradually sheds its chaotic origins and assumes refined geometry. The shift from rough scrap to symmetrical form embodies the artistry of discipline, demonstrating that beauty emerges not from haste, but from controlled, intentional action. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. Technical discipline also extends to maintaining a stable workspace. Clean surfaces, proper lighting, and secure clamping systems create an environment where precision flourishes. Scrap materials often vary in thickness, requiring consistent measurement and calibration of the saw blade height to ensure uniform results. Beginners who take the time to adjust their tools thoughtfully avoid uneven cuts that could weaken joints or create misalignment in finished designs. The pursuit of accuracy becomes a meditative process, one that cultivates patience and reinforces respect for both material and machine. In this context, safety is not an external constraint, but an integrated aspect of creative flow. As pieces are milled and shaped into triangles, diamonds, or other geometric forms, the transformation of scrap into sophisticated art becomes tangible. Each precisely cut segment contributes to a larger composition, forming mosaics that evoke industrial-grade luxury while retaining the warmth of natural wood. The juxtaposition of clean angles with subtle grain variations creates dynamic visual interest, appealing to modern interiors that value texture and structure. Buyers drawn to sustainable decor appreciate the narrative embedded within these works, timber rescued from construction waste now reimagined as statement art. The story of disciplined craftsmanship adds depth, distinguishing handmade mosaics from mass-produced alternatives. Finishing techniques further elevate these creations, but even here, safety remains intertwined with artistry. Proper sanding methods, dust extraction, and protective finishes not only enhance appearance, but also preserve health and longevity. Applying clear coats or natural oils highlights the grain while sealing the surface against moisture and wear. The result is wall art that feels polished and intentional, capable of commanding premium prices in a market increasingly attentive to sustainability and authenticity. Technical precision ensures that each joint fits seamlessly, each angle aligns perfectly, and each surface radiates care. For creative beginners, mastering table saw safety and precision techniques fosters confidence that extends beyond a single project. The discipline cultivated through safe milling of irregular scraps becomes a transferable skill set applicable to future endeavors, whether crafting furniture, shelving, or sculptural installations. Learning to navigate kickback zones responsibly transforms the table saw from a source of anxiety into a powerful ally. In elevating scrap into sellable art, we affirm that true creativity flourishes not in reckless spontaneity, but in mindful mastery, where respect for tools and materials shapes beauty that endures. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.